Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel where I review the latest tech products. Today, we have something truly special to talk about, the redmagic 8S Pro smartphone. Rocket, get ready to dive deep into the world of cutting-edge technology designed specifically for gamers. And in this video, we're going to review the incredible features of the redmagic 8S Pro. Let's jump right in. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this phone from Amazon at discounted price. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's get started. First off, let's talk about that display. The redmagic 8S Pro boasts a stunning 6.8-inch full screen with an impressive 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or simply scrolling, you'll experience buttery smooth visuals like never before. Under the hood, the redmagic 8S Pro is powered by the formidable Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, ensuring lightning-fast performance and responsive gaming. With a massive 6,000 mAh battery, you can game for hours without worrying about running out of power. The redmagic 8S Pro is not just a powerhouse for gaming, it excels in the realm of photography too. Its primary camera, boasting a remarkable 50MP lens with an aperture of f/1.9, captures stunningly detailed and vibrant images even in challenging lighting conditions. The phone's versatility extends to its 8MP ultra-wide camera, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes and group shots. Additionally, the 2MP macro camera lets you explore the tiniest details up close, adding a creative dimension to your photography. On the front, the 16MP selfie camera with an f/2.0 aperture ensures your selfies are sharp and Instagram-ready. With this impressive array of camera specs, the redmagic 8S Pro allows you to capture every moment with clarity and finesse. But wait, there's more. This phone features an under-display camera seamlessly integrated into the screen for an immersive viewing experience. Say goodbye to notches and interruptions. Plus, the design is sleek and ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold during those intense gaming sessions. Storage? Oh, it's got plenty. With 16GB of RAM and a whopping 512GB of internal storage, you can store all your favorite games, apps, and media without a hitch. And here's the kicker, it comes with a 65W charger, ensuring your phone charges up quickly so you can get back to gaming in no time. And for our Globetrotters, the redmagic 8S Pro supports dual SIM functionality, allowing you to stay connected wherever you go. Now here comes the exciting part, the price tag. In the UAE, it's priced at just $929, and in the USA, it's $899. For the sheer power and features this phone offers, it's an absolute steal. There you have it, folks, the redmagic 8S Pro smartphone, engineered for gamers, but perfect for everyone craving top-tier performance. If you're ready to elevate your smartphone gaming experience, this is the device to watch out for. Check the links in the description below to get your hands on this powerhouse. Smash that like button, share this video with your gaming buddies, and subscribe for more tech updates. This is Gadgetarian Geek signing off. Until next time, happy gaming. Bye-bye.